How to combine Python and JavaScript. Combining Python and JavaScript allows you to build powerful web apps and automate tasks with ease. Let's break it down. In most cases, you use Python as the backend and JavaScript as the front end. For example, you can use Flask or Django in Python to serve HTML pages. Then, you include JavaScript in those HTML pages to make them interactive. If you need to send data from Python to JavaScript, use APIs or templating. A Python server can return JSON, and JavaScript on the front end can fetch it using fetch. Another way is to run a Python script directly from JavaScript using Node.js. This is useful for command line tools, or when Python does heavy lifting like data analysis. This combo is perfect for full stack projects and automation. The code is here.